is this?
Aha!
The baby shark cars come to the farm for a race.
Huh? Don't do that.
And the police car is there to keep everything safe and organized.
Police car.
Hey. Okay.
The police car blows the whistle, and the little cars get ready to race.
Are you ready? Let's go.
The green light turns on. The race begins.
Wow! Woo! Oh my God! Woo! What happened?
The green shark car speeds ahead and takes the lead. Up ahead is a shaky wooden bridge. The green shark car crosses safely first. The purple and red shark cars slowly drive across too.
Cool. No!
Finally, the yellow shark car jumps onto the bridge. Just after it reaches the other side, the wooden bridge suddenly breaks apart.
Don't do that. Who is that? Hey!
The yellow shark car quickly stops the others and tells everyone the bridge is broken and needs to be repaired.
Wow.
The shark cars return to the garage and put on special tools.
What are you doing? Wow! Help me! Hey, you! Help me! I got it!
The purple shark car gets a crane arm.
Oh my God! Thank you very much.
The red shark car gets an excavator bucket.
I like it.
The yellow shark car gets a dump truck bed.
Wow!
The green shark car gets a cement mixer drum.
Come here.
Then the shark cars return to the river and start building a new bridge together. The purple shark car lifts heavy logs with all its
I
strength.
got it. I like it.
The red shark car digs holes and puts the dirt into the yellow shark car's dump bed.
It's amazing. Very nice.
The green shark car mixes cement and strengthens the
Look at
riverbank.
this.
Finally, the purple shark car places the bridge structure and lays down the logs.
It's my time. Wow, it's a nice
A strong and sturdy new bridge is finished.
Wow! Transformation! Goodbye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye, see you next time.